The M151 Protector Remote Weapon Station is a remotely controlled weapons station that can be mounted to vehicles and stationary platforms. It is manufactured by Kongsberg Defence and Aerospace of Norway and Thales Group of France. Overview: the system consists of a stabilized firing platform, a fire control system and control grips. Several weapons can be mounted to the platform, such as M2.50 Calories Heavy Machine Gun, M240/Mag 58 7.62mm Machine Gun, M249/Mini 5.56mm Machine Gun, MK 1940mm Grenade Launcher, Agent KGMG 40mm Grenade Launcher, XM307 Advanced Crew-Served Weapon, Javelin Anti-Tank Guided Missile, Hellfire ATGM. The system also features 4 M6 smoke grenade dischargers. Specifications: weight 135, height 749, operating temperature -46 to +65, storage temperature -51 to +71. Versions: several versions of Protector have been developed with more than 15,000 units sold around the world in service with more than a dozen countries. M151 versions M151 Protector a deployed with the 1st Striker Brigades, M151E1 a includes improved thermal cameras, M151E2 a stabilized version, several country-specific adaptations. M153 Protector M153 Protector is designed to meet CROWS 2 requirement. Specifications: weight 172, height 762, operating temperature -46 to +65, storage temperature -51 to +71. Protector Light Protector Light is a lightweight version for 7.62mm machine gun with 200 rounds of ammunition carried. Specifications: weight 74, height 610, operating temperature -46 to +65, storage temperature -51 to +71. Protector Super Light Protector Super Light is the lightest version currently available, and is a lightweight, man-portable system that can be operated both remotely and manually. The Super Light is fully stabilized and adaptable to any wheeled, tracked or stabilized platform, including tripods. Specifications: weight 30, height 460, operating temperature -40 to +65, storage temperature -51 to +71. Protector Medium Caliber RWS Protector Medium Caliber RWS is designed as a vehicle turret for 20 to 50mm autocannons, with coaxial machine gun of 5.56 to 7.62mm. Specifications: weight 2000, operating temperature -40 to +65, storage temperature -51 to +71. Sea Protector Sea Protector is developed for naval applications. Specifications: weight 135, height 749, operating temperature -40 to +65, storage temperature -51 to +71, dynamic performance, maximum azimuth slew rate greater than 100 a degree per second, maximum elevation slew rate greater than 50 a degree per second, range of traverse, azimuth continuous 360 a degree, range of elevation -20 a degree to +60 a degree. Protector Dual RWS Protector Dual RWS is an extension of the existing RWS family that includes the use of 2 weapons. This innovative system also provides a dual use of functionality. The coaxial weapon is mounted on the same axis as the main gun. The system automatically compensates for the parallel axis between the sights and the axis. Switching between weapons is intuitive and happens by simply pushing a button depending on mission need. Protector with non-lethal effectors Protector with non-lethal effectors is designed to close a capability gap in peacekeeping, peace enforcement and humanitarian operations as well as today's asymmetric warfare. Protector Nordic Protector Nordic is claimed by the Norwegian remote weapon station developer as the most technically advanced Protector RWS ordered to date, and is a key element in the foundation for cooperation in the Nordic material programs. The extended functionality includes the day camera Vista 95 with 95 field of view and the infrared aim laser, both developed by Kongsberg. Protector NM221 Protector NM221 includes internal ammunition feed. Users: Australia Euro ASL AVPC vehicle, Canada Euro RG31 vehicle, Croatia, Patriot AMV, initial purchase of 7 to 8 in 2008 and full contract in 2010 for 115 plus 12.7 mm RWS for Croatian Army with an additional initial batch of 1630 RWS to be delivered in 2014 and 2015. Total requirement for 48 30 mm and over 324 12.7 mm RWS for various armoured vehicles in service with Croatian Army. Czech Republic a Euro LMV, Finland a Euro Patriot AMV vehicle, France a Euro Renault VAB, India, Tata Kestrel, Ireland a Euro Moberg Piranha IIIHCRV and RG32 MLTV, Luxembourg a Euro Dingo 2 vehicle, Netherlands a Euro Boxer vehicle, Norway a Euro CV90 family, NM205 F3 APC, Iveco LMV, Fridtjof Nansen class frigate and SKJOLD class corvette, Portugal a Euro Panda 2, Slovenia, Patriot AMV, Switzerland a Euro Piranha I vehicle and Moberg Doro IIP, Sweden, Sisu Passi, Patriot AMV, Archer artillery system, RG32M, United Kingdom, used on Mastiff vehicles in Iraq and Afghanistan, United States a Euro Striker, M1A2 Abrams, and numerous other vehicles. Gallery. References: Kongsberg Defence and Aerospace, Thales Protector RWS, XM307 Weapons System, A Fremtidsrettet Project, M151 Protector, M153 Protector, Protector Light, Protector Superlight, Protector Medium Caliber RWS, C Protector, Protector Dual RWS, Protector with non-lethal effectors, Protector Nordic, Protector NM221. External link